What's up, guys? So the Volvo 240 no start update video here. Replaced the hall sensor, check the timing on it, the battery, check the fuse down here. Obviously it's in great condition. I went inside the car and checked all the fuses in here, replaced all the ones that were bad, cleaned the terminals. And then we went ahead and put a new ECM in it as well as a new relay there. And with all of that being said, oh yeah, and then don't forget the fuel tank, sending unit, fuel pump, other fuel pump, and the filter. So after all that, we got a running car. The Volvo 240 GL. Is back to life, which she hasn't ran or been on the road since 2005. What do you know?